We'll guide you through how to turn on or off the flashlight on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient because pretty much wherever you go, you're going to go and have your Android phone with you. So therefore, you've got a flashlight. So perhaps you're in a situation where it's really dark, you need it, or you're looking in something dark and you need to go get a torch to go and light it up. We'll guide you through how this can be done, and we're showing you two methods in case this first way doesn't work for you, so don't worry. First of all, what you want to do is go and head to the top of your phone, and you want to go and drag down to go and open the controls like so. Next, you need to go and drag down again, place your finger in this top section, and you want to then go to the top right. There you'll go and find the pen or pencil icon. This is edit, tap there. Now what we can do is we can go and edit the top or full. We'll start with the top. So we'll press edit. Now what you need to do is go and remove one of these, as you can only have a maximum of 6. And then what you can do in here is go and find the torch, so it's called. If you can't see torch, try looking for flashlight and hopefully it'll be there. Tap on it and it's now added. Then you can go and press done, and we'll then repeat that for full as well. So what you can do is go and find torch and it'll then go and be added. Then we can press done, press back. Now if we go and drag down, we'll go and look in the top right, we added it and it's there. So all you need to do is go and tap on it. That's going to go and turn it on, as you can see. If you then want to go and turn it off again, all you need to do is go and tap on it. So it's that simple, tap and turn it off. If this doesn't work for you for whatever reason, what we can do is we can go and get the torch app or flashlight app from the Play Store. So open this up, press search at the bottom, and we can go and type in flashlight. I already have, but you can go and type it in again. Now what you can do is you can go and find a different app here. Let's say I want to go and use this one here. I could then go and tap on it like so, and I could then go and press open. And as you can see, I open it up and it turns the flashlight on. I can also press the button and just go and turn it on and off. So it's that simple. There's an alternative in case that shortcut option doesn't work at the top for whatever reason. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.